everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. Today I've got a hair care video for you guys. You always message me and comment on my videos asking me what shampoos and conditioners I use, if I use any oils, and just basically how I look after my hair, because I bleach it so much and dye it so many different colours that I guess you're all probably wondering how my hair is actually not too bad condition. So I've got a selection of products right next to me that I'm going to chat through, and they are some of my favourites right now. So the first one that is my fave is the OGX Fade Defying and Orchid Oil Shampoo. Now this basically protects colour treated hair, and it's got orchid extract and grapeseed oil in it, and it basically just stops your colour from fading, and it moisturises and replenishes the strands. And yeah, love this. So I basically use this, well, it's basically in my shower right on my bath. Robin uses this all the time as well, but yeah, I grab this and I use it now and then throughout the week, probably twice a week I would say. Mainly use it to help my colour kind of stay, because I don't want to dye my hair very often. It's damaging, even though I use semi-permanent colours and most of it doesn't have ammonia in it. I just am a bit wary about putting too much product and colour onto my hair, so I try and use products that are going to lock the colour in. And yeah, I just really love using this one. The next shampoo that I like to use is the Whey Repair Shampoo. Now I haven't used this that much recently, but it's literally one of my favourite ones. I've actually been using a different product to repair my hair recently, which I'm going to talk to you about in a sec, but honestly, really love the Whey products. I only have recently realised how to pronounce it, and it's pronounced Whey. I used to pronounce it Wee, but it's not that. Yeah, so they've got a repair collection. They've got a repair conditioner as well, which I've also used, but I've run out of actually. It is a little bit pricey, but honestly, it's really good, and I do feel like it has helped my hair over the last sort of, because I mainly sort of used it last year when my hair wasn't feeling that great, but it's been in a really good condition recently. So yeah, so I've kind of stopped using it for now, but honestly I would definitely recommend this if you've got sort of dry brittle ends. On the back it says, a nourishing cleanser infused with our unique smart technology complex that replenishes moisture and fortifies breakage prone strands, leaving hair stronger and shinier than ever. And honestly I do feel like it has strengthened my hair. Now I actually wrote a blog post recently about having greasy hair, so I will pop a link below if you want to check it out, because I mentioned in my weekly vlog that my hair was super greasy and oily every day, even after I washed it, and I just could not figure out why. And anyway, it was because I had been using so many different products in my hair that when I was using a L'Oreal shampoo, I think it was the Low shampoo, it wasn't actually getting any of the products out of my hair like a shampoo should. Then I discovered this shampoo called the Rebalancing Shampoo from L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Clay, and it's basically for oily roots and dry ends, and it actually kind of cleanses your hair of all of the products that you've used or you might have used, and it just gets your hair back to feeling normal. Honestly, love this. This literally saved my greasy hair, which you'll read in the blog post below if you click the link. But I use this now anytime that I do like hair tutorials, or I put like hair gel on my hair, or any dry shampoo or texture spray. I use this when I go to wash it, because it just gets rid of all the product, and honestly it is amazing for that. Now I have been doing the Wella Plex home treatment. So I don't know if you guys have heard, it's similar to Olaplex and Innerlux, but there's one called Wella Plex, and I got the Wella Plex treatment done when I last got my hair bleached, which was back in January. I think it was the end of January, and they did the treatment in the salon, and then you get to take home this, which is the hair stabilizer, and it's the third kind of step to the treatment, and you just do it at home. And I've been doing this treatment once a week, and then Wella actually did send me some more of this, and I've been continuing this, so I use this once a week. So I use this after I shampoo my hair, and then I pop this on for 5 to 10 minutes, and yeah, I just do this once a week, and I do actually feel like it is been strengthening my hair. So I've just been focusing on this sort of repair treatment at the moment, but yeah, I have really noticed a difference in my hair, and yeah, it feels amazing after using this. When I do that treatment, I don't actually pop on a conditioner in the shower. I jump out the shower and I actually use the Toni & Guy leave-in conditioner after I have done that Wella Plex treatment. I actually really like this. Now I don't put too much on, so when my hair's wet I just put a little blob in my hand, and then I just kind of put it through the ends of my hair. I don't put it through the top, and then I just comb through with a tangle teaser, and then I either blow dry or I braid my hair, and I will just leave it to kind of dry but in a style. So yeah, really love this. It's really cheap as well. I think it was like £7, and it's lasting me for ages because I only use it a couple of times a week. Sometimes if I'm just like rushing in the shower and I can't be asked to shampoo and condition my hair in the shower, I'll just shampoo it, hop out, and then just put some of this in. But yeah, really good. Another conditioner that I love, also from OGX, is the Anti-Breakage and Keratin Oil Conditioner. So this has got keratin proteins in and argan oil, and it basically just helps with the strength of your hair. It helps with breakages, so like when you're kind of brushing your hair and you might get some breakages, it just really helps with that. So I've also been using that when I can be bothered to condition my hair in the shower. But yeah, I really love using this conditioner. Robin also loves using it as well because he's got bleached hair, so he needs to care for his hair as well, so he steals all my products. And then last but not least, OGX actually do little minis, and I take these away traveling with me. I couldn't find the orchid oil ones, but they do minis for all of their ranges. And yeah, just because I still want to kind of care for my hair when I'm away, and also it's actually really important for us to do that because we don't get many UV rays here, and whenever I go away it's usually quite sunny, it's to a hot place, so I need to really focus on caring for my hair because of the sun damage that, you know, can cause my hair to just go a bit dry, especially like chlorine as well in swimming pools and stuff. So yeah, so I love to take these little mini OGX ones away with me in the same ones that I, you know, use daily and weekly. So yeah, super good and handy to have these travel. And then I think that pretty much rounds up my hair care favourites at the moment. Yeah, I'll pop links below to all of them so you can shop them, and also do check out all of the other ranges that these hair care brands do. Don't forget to subscribe, and any other questions about hair care or anything, please comment below. Another good tip that probably I should tell you actually is that whenever I sleep with my hair wet, because it's like elastic and kind of chewing gummy, when it's wet I always braid it, or I try to just let it dry naturally, or I blow dry it using the Tangle Teaser blow dry brush, which I'll pop a link to a previous video because I'm literally loving that hairbrush and I use it every time I blow dry my hair now, and also it makes it super quick. But yeah, just little tips on the end of the video for you guys there. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.